Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2010 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport convertible 3LT black on black interior. So we'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. We've got the trunk open here so you can see. This one has the Corvette flag and it is actually embroidered on the trunk liner there. Here's the trunk area. Nice size trunk. Let's see, we've got storage down in this corner and storage over in this corner. We've got the cargo net. We've got the partition here, so this pulls out and folds down flat when the top is in the up position to give you more through space in the trunk. So that's cool. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this. We'll have a look from the back. So here it is from the back. It's got the nice deck lid spoiler. We've got the circular taillights. We've got the nice Corvette logo with the chrome surround. We've got the red in the embossed Corvette logo there on the bumper. We've got the quad tip exhaust with a custom little piece there in the center. Looks neat. And we'll just shift around this side. So the Grand Sport has the rolled fenders. So nice wide body there, so it looks great. It's got this rear mud flap here that comes down the end, looks good. We've got the upgraded chrome wheels, we've got gray factory painted calipers, cross-drilled rotors, and then it's got another mud flap piece here in the front that connects to a side skirt here that runs along the bottom, so that looks great. And then here's your passenger door panel. So we've got power windows, power locks, electronic door release, and a 7-speaker premium BOSE stereo. Here's the chrome kick plate, which is upgraded as well on this side. Looks good. A little bit of minor scuffing, but nothing major. We'll go ahead, we'll polish it, we'll make it look the best we can. He's got upgraded floor mats with the Corvette logo embroidered. And then we've got our power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power lumbar, side bolster adjustment, and manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good, and we've got the embossed Corvette logo, or embroidered Corvette logo on the seat there as well. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. We'll have a look. So we've got the DVD for the nav, we've got the books, those are there. On the dash, we've got the embossed Corvette logo. Have a look at the dash while I'm here on this side, looks good. So we'll hop out, we'll close this side up, and we'll just start at the back. So I'll just scan along this side of the car so you can see the condition. What a sharp looking car, very clean. On the front, we've got the hash marks. They've got the red with the silver, and you've got the Corvette logo in there. And then here's your front wheels. So again, nice chrome wheels. We've got cross-drilled rotors, great calipers. Looks great. So under the hood, we've got the LS3 6.2 liter motor, which is 430 horsepower, and that's paired to a 6-speed manual transmission. It's nice and tidy under here, looks good. And we've got an upgraded Corsa intake done in carbon fiber, looks great. There's your hood liner with the Corvette logo. It's in great shape, as you can see. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the hood, and we'll have a look from the front. So here we are at the front. We've got the nice projector headlights with HID bulbs. And then we've got the fog lights down below. We've got the front plastic spoiler on the lower portion, looks good. And just have a close look here, see if there's any stone chips. So there's one little mark here, probably will buff out. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's through, but you never know. It could be a stone chip, so there's a mark there. And let's see, there's a stone chip here as well. And one little mark there, so I'm not sure, that could be tree sap, I'm not sure. So we'll go ahead, we'll wet sand polish, we'll do all our stuff to it, so if it comes out, great. If not, we'll touch it up. So I'm just sharing, just being straight with you what's there. And we'll just go around the side and I'll show you the other front wheels. So again, nice chrome wheels, gray painted calipers, cross-drilled rotors. And what do we have for tires? We've got Goodyear Eagle F1 tires on there as well. So we'll have a look back here, same thing, looks great. And we'll move along to the driver's door. So we've got our power locks, we've got our power memory with programmable exit button, power mirrors, power windows, electronic door release, and that BOSE 7-speaker stereo. Here's your kick plate on the driver's side, it's in really good shape. Love the upgraded kick plate. And here's our power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power lumbar, side bolster adjustments, and manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. There we are. So in terms of kilometers, we have 23,961, so nice and low, no warning lights or issues there on the dash. On this side here, we've got our heads-up display controls, we've got our dimmer switch for the dash, we've got our power top, we've got manual tilt, trunk release, fuel door release, and then on the steering wheel, we've got voice command Bluetooth controls, and then on this side, we've got favorites, 1 to 6, we've got volume and track change. We've got the Corvette logo on the center of the steering wheel, and then you've got your information center controls up here, wiper controls, and then our push button start. Here's your screen. So we've got full factory navigation. If we hit source, we got AM, FM, Sirius XM, and CD. So we click this button here, the screen folds down, you've got CD and DVD for the nav. Down below we've got dual zone automatic climate control, and we've got heated seats. So there's the passenger, there's the driver. I'm going to turn that off. So those are there, and then in here we've got ashtray and a cigarette lighter, or a 12-volt socket. There's your 6-speed manual shifter, and it is a short shifter. So as you can see, the throw is very short, and it's very stiff. It feels really good. So there's your cup holder. We've got a nice finish here, traction control on and off. There's your armrest. It's in good shape. It's got the embroidered Corvette logo. In here, let's see, so oil change is not due till 33,000 or next to April, so that's good. And we've got the 12-volt socket here. There's your auto-dimming rear view mirror with OnStar. There's your garage door buttons. There's your auto-dimming driver's side mirror. So now we'll just hop out with the running. We'll have a look. Oh, actually, before we hop out, because it's a convertible, I'm just going to put the roof up. So there it is. Perfect, and then I just lock that in place and put the windows up. So it's got nice deep dark tinted windows, which is nice. So we'll just hop out now with it running, have a look and a listen. Nice sound to it. And I'll just show you from the front with the headlights on. There it is. And we'll scan along this side of the car. And I'll just stop here and I'll show you the top. No rips or tears. It's in really good shape. Looks nice. And so there's always, these are fold marks. They look odd in the camera, but they're just from the top folding and sitting against itself there in the lower part. So it looks great. So here it is from the back, running. Nice rumble. Sounds good. And there you have it, folks. 2010 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 3LT convertible, black on black with chrome wheels, 6-speed, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.